Wow! Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and lilDENNiS is with us, and he's going to look at this today. Issue number 28 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine. He actually looked at issue 29 before this one. So I've already seen what the next issue looks like, but the last issue before this one was actually this one, which was 27. I spoke about that. I'm going to quickly show you what the next one looks like. Dun dun dun. But my favourite cover so far is still this one, issue number 6 by Lowish. So the question is, can this one beat that? So lilDENNiS, if we get us in, he's in. Look, woo! And what colour do we have today, I wonder? I want a bright colour. Oh, we've got a pink and black. I'll turn it around so you can't see it. This is interesting. We've got a purpley pink spine, and the cover. Well, look, we've got jellyfish or something. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Still not going to beat issue number 6 though. It's quite funny because the next issue, 29, is actually a black cover. And I did say at the time, you don't very often see black covers. But they've actually gone and done 2 in a row there, which is quite interesting. What I like about this is the colours. I feel like there's sort of 4 or 5 colours there, but they all sit very nicely, and that pink pops. So let's get, what we do on this is, lilDENNiS, he gets us in. Look at that. Is it pink or purple? It's like a pinky purple, isn't it? So we just have a look at it and see what we think. So, cool. Fur. The thingy there is all about fur. That'd be quite interesting. And we've got that lovely colour there. Oh, yeah. Well, I like that, but I love this one. Yeah. I like that as well. It's cool. Love that. Look. Behind the cover art of Jackie Dojo. That is cool, that is. I like the way her hair is alive as well. Look, we've got like a straight line there, curviness over here. Sexy, that is. Nice big eyes as well. Beautiful lips. Pointy ears. Yeah, I suppose the main thing for me there is I like the shapes. There's lots of nice shapes going on here. Look at that. That's amazing. Yeah, they've got really nice shapes here. Look. How much does that pop? That's cool. Nice bum. Green lips, look. Green lips. Cool character. I'm not into this colour palette here. Yeah, I'm not into that one. I'm not into that colour combination. But I really love the poses here. Especially that one. That is a very cool pose. I really like that one. Hey, look. Little sketch. Look, that must be out. They must get a template with the they must get a template file like that so they can see exactly how it's going to look. Quite interesting. Look, they moved the hair around. Look, firstly it was like that, then they went like that, and then they added in a little bit there. That's quite interesting, that. changing major elements of this piece to try better create the initial idea in my head. I really like her hair. Costume party. Nice little sketches here. I like this one, the artist. Are they going to turn that? Yay! Look. The Roman warrior. Yeah, this is an interesting idea. They created, my favourite is the artist. Where's the explorer then? They didn't show the explorer. Weird. They missed out the explorer. That's like thingy off of Persona, Elizabeth. Cool. Yay, look, seagulls. Sid the Seagulls. Kevin Hong. I wonder if they're related to Chris Hong. Designing characters for animation. He reminds me of someone, he does. Can't remember who it is though. Big squidgy shapes, look. Artist catch-up. Trudi Castle. Got a donut there, look. Oh yeah, look. Surfing on a baguette. That's quite an interesting idea, isn't it? Turning, you could turn like food into vehicles. That'd be quite funny, that. A giant donut. Very cool characters, these are. Oh, I like the eye. I like the way they've done those eyes. These are nice as well. The Eco Warrior pose. I like that one. I feel like they went with a bit of a boring pose actually. These ones here are a lot more expressive. That's what I think. They went with quite a boring pose in the end. I like the way they've done these, look, this one simple shape. Very important person. There she is. Lydia Morales. Lydia Morales. Starts with, oh, look at that. Loads of designs. That's nice. Yeah. Lots of designing going on here. Oh, that is cool. Look, that's cool. Pop, 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 pop. 28 little outfit designs. God, look, all little accessories as well. I like this. This is really good seeing her process. Photo reference as well, look. Inspiration. I like, there's something about this one. I like the shapes. Again, it feels like it's made of clay. keen on her nose or on her ears though. Yay, lilDENNiS' favourite, the gallery. Little mice. Christmas mice. It's cool. There, look, giant marshmallow. Big long tongue. Oh, he's a cool. He's probably really strong, but he's a bit dopey. Yeah. These are nice. I like the black cat better. Artist Ketchup, Dyru. Dyru. Sexy. That's nice, isn't it? It's that space there that's beautiful. The connection. Funny. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I like that design as well. That is cool, that is. Yeah. Really nice outfit and stuff, that one. Magic moments. Magic. I like the shape of those legs. She's really beautiful. She is. I'd like to see her smiling there. That's nice. Look. Oh, lovely. Oh. Look how sort of soft and gentle some of these look. Yeah, it's a shame that they went with a sulky face. It sort of almost ruins the character for me, that. Oh, should have made her smile. Oh, it's finished. Here are all the artists for this one, look. We've got Isabella, Yaroslava, Thomas, Trudi, Jackie, Kevin, Julia, Lydia, Maya and Noor. So this one we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 females, 1, 2, 3 blokes. So the girls are winning again. I feel like girls must just be better artists. Nah, only joking. I don't know. And we finished with fur balls. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue 28 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine, and the next one will be issue 29, which I've already looked at, and it's another cool one. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one.